Every facet of modern life has become dependent on computer technology. From commerce to medicine to manufacturing, computers are here to stay. And every year, thousands of used computers are replaced in Canadian workplaces. Many of these computers end up in landfills or long-term storage facilities, never to be seen again. At the same time, access to computers for Canadian young people has been a major challenge. Fortunately, the telephone pioneers and Industry Canada teamed up in 1993 to create Computers for Schools. Computers for Schools has provided a framework which is centered on a simple concept. Donors provide information technology equipment, transportation, space, and publicity. Volunteers and trainees repair and refurbish the donated equipment, and schools get computers that are just like new. The key is a system of workshops located across the country. Due to the diversity of the donors, volunteer groups and institutional partners who make up Computers for Schools, it was recognized that a centralized approach would not be possible or effective. The result is a flexible and diverse system that brings a wide range of stakeholders together to help provide students with the tools they need to succeed. For example, this workshop in Ottawa, Ontario is located in space donated by a local high school and is staffed by students. While across the river in the province of Quebec, the Canadian government provides facilities and a privately operated job skills program provides the labor. In Edmonton, the provincial government provides the warehouse space, and the TELUS Community Connections volunteers, along with student trainees, do the rest. In Saskatoon, SaskTel takes care of the space requirements, and the telephone pioneers volunteer their time and energy to the program. Computers for Schools has also partnered with the Aboriginal Technology Solutions Training Centre, which houses a repair workshop. Here, First Nations technology students learn hands-on skills and deliver computers to First Nation schools throughout the province. Halifax has a workshop that is run by the Provincial Education Ministry and is staffed by international exchange students. In Bellechasse, Quebec, the local school board has created a school enterprise which partners with Computers for Schools. While in Montreal, it is Insurtech Angus, a training center for young adults at risk that works in concert with Computers for Schools to move many thousands of computers to schools in the province of Quebec. It all starts with a donation. This may take the form of a single computer or hundreds at a time. Many government departments and private corporations are organizing their disposal efforts around a Computers for Schools contribution. Once the computers arrive at a workshop, a preliminary assessment is made. Major components are sorted, and most are stored for later use. Computers and components that are deemed unusable are sent for recycling. When a request comes in from a school, components are pulled from storage and sent to triage, where suitability, quality, and compatibility are assessed. The triage technician may decide to send parts for spares inventory, to recycling, or on to the production areas. It is important to note that all hard drives are wiped of data and reformatted. The next steps are repair and refurbishing. Then any necessary upgrades are made. And if the computer is not network and internet ready, the appropriate components are added. After the operating system and software are installed, the computer is tested rigorously and physically cleaned to ensure that all computers sent to schools are suitable and reliable. Computers are typically delivered to schools in batches of anywhere from 6 to 30. It is important that these batches consist of matched components. This way, students work on the same quality of computer and teachers and support staff needn't worry about dealing with a wide range of technical issues after the computers are installed. Given the massive numbers of computers involved, this is no small task. Many workshops have developed their own inventory management systems that are customized for their particular needs. The assessment, refurbishing, repair, and testing procedures involve a massive amount of labor. Workshops handle this in different ways, depending on their situation. Where a partnership with a training initiative is in place, it is the trainees who do most of the work. This on-the-job training is crucial to learning the skills necessary for careers in computer assembly, testing, repair, and technical support. Trainees also learn other valuable skills, such as teamwork, project planning, and operations management. Management of the day-to-day operations of workshops is necessary to ensure that things run smoothly. In some cases, this role falls to the volunteers, with support from the provincial or territorial Computers for Schools licensee operation and Industry Canada. Where the volunteers are not involved, as is the case in this Montreal training facility, the workshop is run by staff managers. After all the work is done, it's time for delivery. Schools within a reasonable distance usually do their own pickups. For longer distances, corporate donors provide transport. A certain amount of creativity may be required. All workshops operate according to the overall program objective, getting computers into Canadian classrooms. Since 1993, hundreds of thousands of computers have been donated and delivered to Canadian schools, and that number continues to rise. The workshop model has been a success, primarily because it encourages creativity and innovation from all participants. For more information, please contact us at 1-888-636-9899 or visit the Computers for Schools website at www.schoolnet.ca/cfs-OPE.